There's our Sea Cloud Spirit. We're walking down here and we're going down with the rest of the group, so I have to catch up with them as they're going down here on the dock. They had a big ship next to us. That's gone. A little breezy. I don't have the muff on the camera, so you might see some wind. I gotta pick up the Shoe Leather Express here to catch up with the rest of the folks. All right, let's go. Here is the Cozumel here. Everybody's getting their photo here. So while you get ready, I'm going to go in here. I got Cozumel right in the back of me here. Here it is. So we're here on shore. We're going to catch up with the rest of the people. Say bye-bye to all my fans. See you later. Bye-bye. Okay, welcome to Cozumel. We're right here. Yeah, there it is. We're in here. We're going to see it. We're walking. All right. Well, still walking along the shore here. Ship is out there. But, hello. Yeah, guys trying to haul us for who knows what here. Journey to the unknown or something there. Who knows? But, just walking along here. And it's just little shops. That's basically what it is. Little places to eat, souvenir shops. You know, the usual. Nothing spectacular. Nothing earth-shattering to see here. So, yeah. All right. Cozumel. Well, there's the Mexican flag up there as we walk along here. Yeah. Try to keep it so I don't go into the sea here. But the waves crashing up down at the bottom there. Yeah. Here we go. Walking along here. The kid is right here walking along. We're crossing the street now. And gotta look this way. Traffic's gonna halt for us here. Thank you. And we got an old-timey car here. Yeah, electric one too here. And more shops, like an outdoor market here. Different things to buy and everything. Yeah, I think from here I'm going to walk on back. There's a clock tower up there too. All right. There's a Villa Del Mar. Looks like a bunch of shops up there you could walk through probably. And all kind of stuff over there. There's the clock tower up there. And we come around here and there's more shops. There's a burger place over there. And yeah, guys with the volleyball over there too. Okay, I'm here. Isla Cozumel. See Isla down here. Cozumel all up here. Goes all the way over to the side here. There we go. It's here. There you go. All there. Okay. Well, I'm not sure what this is here, but it's like a whole bunch of art, some kind of art. It says waste to art, so this must be made out of waste products in here. We're going to go inside and explore it and see what it is. It looks like coral. It says it's marine debris or something, like old pieces of coral that they're trying to tell you not to put stuff in the ocean so the coral grows here probably. That's probably what it is here inside. And yeah, we'll come around here. Look on this side here, parlay. Oh, here you go. You can do a little translation on that at your leisure there. And see, okay, there it is here. We're actually inside of it here. And you can see it's all around me and back of me here. And yeah, I'll do a little 360 for you. And you can see that I'm going to walk out the front. And you can see it in back of me here then. The sun's going to be in my eyes here. So yeah, there it is, right in back of me here. You can see it's all in back of me. I got sun in my eyes here, so I can't see. But that was it, right there. Okay. I think today is some sort of celebration for the president or something, and this may be part of it. It says Obras del Silencio number 9, something about of the quiet. the leaders of the quiet or something, number 19. I don't know. Benito Pablo on that side, and it's Don Benito Juarez over here, and over is Del Poirier number 2. Maybe they were different presidents or something up here. I don't know. I don't know what that is there, but it's here in Cozumel, Mexico. All right. Okay, we're coming up to this clock tower here. We're going to come up a little closer and try to read what it says here in a second. But if my friend is over there, is he all done there? No, it's coming up here. Coming up here to see what it says here. Don Miguel Terencio here, and he's right up here. Coming up here to the top. It's part of the plaza here from the clock tower, and you can see all around here. You can see where I went over to that other thing with the flowers over there. We got some palm trees here. Our ship is like over in that direction, but the Cozumel sign is over there. And saw another sign over here. We're going to go over and take a look at this here. Okay. I'll have to do a translation later on this, but it's well worn. You got the statue of the guy here, and we'll come around the other side. Maybe you can see him or her a little bit better here. I don't know here, but yeah, right here in the plaza there. There you go. Well worn. They have lights at nighttime here, but yeah, okay. Well, here's a sign. All the grass is worn away because people walking on the Cozumel sign here. So there you go. The island. This is an island that we're on of Cozumel here. And as you see, as we pan out here, there's the other things over there, and the clock tower is back over here. So yeah, that's it. Island of Cozumel right here. I'm one-man travel, bringing stuff to you from around the world here. I'm on this big sailing ship, and tomorrow we're going to see some more ruins. It's going to be an all-day trip here, so it's going to be a long day tomorrow. But I'm going to walk back to the ship now, I think, here, so you can see that sign in the back of me here. All right, don't forget, subscribe. That would always help, you know, and thank you so much to my subscribers that are already subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. There's some big shoes here. I'm going to see if I can fill them here, but I don't know. If I stand here, they'll be able to see me here. Whoa. There we go. I'm filling the big shoes here. There we go. I got them on here now, so, but it takes a big man to fill big shoes here, and that's me, moi, here. So there you go. Okay. And I don't know what this is across the street. I see numbers on there, like maybe one of these boats leaves at 6:30, another one leaves at 2000, which would be 8 o'clock. And I don't know where they go or what, or back to those ships that are anchored way out there on the other side. I'm not sure. We got some sculpture here. We got the main drag. Our ship is right in the sun over there. It's hard to see, but there's the old Sea Spirit. I'm going to walk back on this side of the street, and I'm going to have sun in my eyes there. So it's like the story of my life, sun in my eyes here. All right. Well, there's an old lighthouse right here, and right next to Starbucks. I don't know if this used to be a real lighthouse or something that Starbucks put up, but Punta Langosta, and you got a little sign, and you need to get to your ships or whatever, but right up here is the entrance to the pier where I have to go here. All right, I'm going to be heading back here now. Okay. Well, I got the sun in back of me. Before I go back to the ship here, I'm on the dock. I sat next to this lady here. She's a little quiet. She's looking down at her cell phone down there, but she doesn't say too much. What do you think? You're talking on the cell phone there? What do you got to say for yourself? Not too much there, I guess, huh? Okay, looking pretty good, looking pretty hot though, I have to say that. So yeah, okay, I guess I'll say goodbye to you. Bye bye, see you later. Oh, we got another sign here. It's a good one because our ship is right in the background of the island of Cozumel here. There we go. Here's our ship. If we get it right here, we can see it right through the sea there in Cozumel. There you go. Look at that. There you go. We're going to take a happy snap of that one too. Okay. Sitting down here, going to take a little break. I know I got the sun in my background here, but let's see who else is on the bench here. We got another lady. We're going to come over, talk to her, and see what do you got to say for yourself. What are you doing? Looking at your phone up there and everything? Yeah. Okay. You're trying to take a photo, I see, of the sign over there. So yeah, all right. Well, yeah, I wish you luck there. You're looking pretty good too. They're not too shabby. And we got this other guy over here. He's just sitting on looking on his phone here. So he's you know, checking it out down there at the bottom. But yeah, he's looking in there. So all right, I'm a little tired out. You get back to the ship. Have some water here to refresh me here. But here's our welcome to our welcome sign here. There's nobody around right now, so I can get a good close-up of it. Yeah, there we go. And right behind me, there were the two people I was talking to. They're very quiet. They're very white too, so I don't know. Okay, heading back to the ship. There's our ship. Sea Cloud, Sea Spirit. Got a long walk here. Got to walk all the way down to the edge of the pier here, then turn and go all the way up there. But nobody else here because I left the group and decided to do some freewheeling on myself, a little wilding, so I can try to get some bids here. All right, let's see here. Let's go. Here's Cozumel. I'm right here, right by the side. I'm up here, a little winded, but here in Mexico. Tomorrow we're going to see some ruins and whatever, but here's the sign. It's Cozumel, the island of Cozumel, right here. There you go. We got some old rocks and seaweed, who knows what else, some ropes on there, a starfish or sea star, all kinds of stuff there. So all right, let's get back to the ship. We're walking, picking them up. Well, sorry, it's a little windy here. You're going to hear all that wind noise, but coming back up on the ship here, and there it is. You can see it from this side here. Yeah, I want to get a few happy snaps as we get a little closer here. So yeah, I didn't bring my cushion with me. I can only think of so much. You know, I am just one man, as you all know there. So yeah, there it is, Sea Cloud Spirit. That's where we have dinner, up there on that deck up there. It's outside, and with the sails and everything. So yeah, Sea Cloud Spirit. All right, let me stop, take a couple happy snaps here. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we can continue walking back here. We got some of the crew members coming out here. There's our illustrious crew. All right, excellent, thank you, have a good time, bye-bye. All right, that's part of the crew. The guys like to be on camera there, so, and I don't blame them, man. That's the way I am here. I'm a natural born ham here, I guess. Look at those sails. And don't forget, I climbed up on this thing here up to that first stop up there. I couldn't put my arms on the white part to pull up because it's extra thick. I couldn't get a good grip and I was afraid, and it was a little slippery, but I made it up to the top. I started out here and went up there. Yes, I did, doing it for my fans here. Sorry, don't have a video. I was going to do a video at the top and when I was standing up there, but it didn't make it. Hey, I'm 77, you know, give me a break. Cut me some slack here. Come on, people. You know, I'm doing my best here. I'm not like some of these other guys that are in their 20s and 30s are out here zooming around here. I'm doing my best here. So, yeah, okay, we're heading back to the ship. There's the old gangplank there. my room is one of these portholes down at the bottom here, because when I look out I can see the dock. So yeah, they got the little stanchions, the red ropes for we VIPs here. So yeah, just in time for cocktail hour. Whew, I'm a little sweaty here now from walking, and it's not super hot, but the sun was out, and you know, I did a lot of walking here. So yeah, okay, let's get up to the, there's one of those big monster ships out there with 5,000 people on. It's crazy, it's crazy. Yeah, and there's one of those ones that was leaving from that dock I showed you with the times on it. Where did it go? I don't know. Maybe some other island or something here. Okay, we're gonna go up the gangplank here and back on the ship. All right.